What if I told you that just 5 common money mistakes could be silently destroying your financial future? Most people work hard every day, yet they never seem to get ahead financially. The truth is, it's not always about how much you earn. It's about the habits you follow. Stay until the end, because mistake number 1 is costing millions of people thousands of dollars every year. Welcome to Capital Mind, where we help you build wealth, master money, and create a better financial future. Let's dive into the 5 financial mistakes that keep people poor and, more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. Many people know how much they earn, but they have no idea where their money actually goes. A coffee here, food delivery there, online shopping on weekends, it all adds up. Without a budget, money disappears before you even realize it. The solution is simple. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. When every dollar has a job, your money starts working for you instead of disappearing. Mistake number 2, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A medical bill, car repair, or job loss can happen at any moment. Without emergency savings, many people are forced to rely on credit cards and loans, creating a cycle of debt. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Don't worry if that sounds overwhelming. Start small. Even saving a little every month can create a safety net that protects your future. Mistake number 3. Depending on only one source of income. Imagine your entire financial life depending on a single paycheck. If that income disappears, everything becomes at risk. Today's world offers more opportunities than ever. You can freelance online, create digital products, start affiliate marketing, use AI tools to provide services, or invest in income-producing assets. Multiple income streams provide security and accelerate wealth creation. Mistake number 4. Waiting too long to invest. Many people think they need a lot of money before they can start investing. Others wait for the perfect time. Unfortunately, the perfect time rarely comes. The greatest advantage in investing is time. Thanks to compound growth, even small amounts invested consistently can grow into significant wealth over the years. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Mistake number 5. Buying liabilities instead of assets. Many people spend their money on things that lose value immediately after purchase. Expensive gadgets, luxury items, and impulse purchases may provide temporary satisfaction, but they rarely build wealth. Assets are different. Investments, valuable skills, businesses, and income-generating opportunities can put money back into your pocket. Wealthy people focus on acquiring assets first and liabilities later. Financial success isn't about luck. It's about avoiding the mistakes that keep most people stuck. Start budgeting, build an emergency fund, create multiple income streams, invest early, and focus on buying assets instead of liabilities. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Capital Mind and join us on the journey to financial freedom. Which mistake have you made before? And what about the next topic should be? Let us know in the comments below.